have been doing on social media. When we will just say you don't change, you don't change, you don't change. And one way now, I change. You never change. Okay? You never change. It's different. I don't know where. Il lupo per di vici, il lupo per di pello, no vici. Is that dog? They lose air during winter, but that one not mean say not be the wolf. That one not mean say if you see animal, you see person not go eat them. Now you be. So when other people they're gonna fear you because they get what you know about them or what you wanted and when and then if you do you when I first you die what you got to do, you go carry my sister out. So I'm telling you now, you the turn the light, they say oh, a wife no, I won't put my body. That means I don't follow any other person. They swear Bible. We don't go swear Bible. We go read someone all night. Come on, the car to come. Me with them. No move to call this someone all night. Me I go this someone all night. If me don't do a don't trust for my husband ask for the past 26 years we married me for the past 29 years we stay together. Actually, me go carry the juju when no. You go see cause I say since we don't marry Hebrews, if any man don't see part of what say they won't clap him. I don't just make use Bible now. What they don't believe in G. Me I know someone honor. But Monica must be my leader first. Monica must be the first person to swear it. If she don't want to swear the Bible, may go carry juju where she know her part. May go carry her come out. So Eddy Murphy, when they talk about the other, they say make about people about not now I bring myself. I will sacrifice myself for that. If other the wife no want swear, me I will bring out myself now. Okay? Because that is why I'm so different from all of you now. I don't agree. I don't agree with you choose with evil ways to take the code and dominate people on this social media. Because if they want to talk, they will say all of them like you say. All the people when they do a video, they do video for social media, all of them are the same. No, we are not the same. We are not the same, Eddy Murphy. Enough is enough. Eddy Murphy and Monica Tuari, we are not the same. It is time for the whole world to differentiate us. Because this is what I've been saying for the moment. I come here and now. It is time for the whole world to differentiate us. Those people that believe on juju, because see now, the Murphy say it be juju. If they for different type of juju, people cannot be friends. Never. So you see now when your people want to get a juju side, they do evil or something happen. Then they'll call you because they're there for the juju side. You'll call change man, overnight your change man. You cannot be using it to be making us, to be giving us any social media. Enough is enough, Eddy Murphy. So this is some money to you. Me have play this music because the video is still to yesterday. You trauma to the palace again, Eddy Murphy. Eddy Murphy the house. Take the palace away from your mouth. If you are sick, go and set a medical checkup. It doesn't mean the person make the person the case for road. Then the person can stress can cause you a psychological problem. Go and read about, go and listen about the narcissist. The way you people, your narcissist world of this social media is getting out of hand, Eddy Murphy and Monica Tuari. Monica Tuari, Eddy Murphy, I'm telling you, tell Monica Tuari to come and swear anything want to swear with me. Say for the adulterous way, right? I'm here to sacrifice myself for all the women you probably calling. When they get like when make me and the Monica come, he said, small boys when they come from Libya. He said that my peckles all of the time they left. So Monica, I'm ready to swear with you. Okay? So make that just all you said the enemy Atana. My people, I remember when I come here, the hardship. Because this is the most right from day one. I know that it's not a stable man. You know, say a hungry man must always remain a hungry man. Why? When you are not working. Not be also man still working, but they remain hungry man. There's a greedy man, always a greedy man. It doesn't make you work or you no work. When Eddy Murphy come Italy 5 years ago to talk, say, he go Carabinieri office. Say Carabinieri say that they give the 60,000 you. I drop it back and say, don't try it. Even the next day, you got arrested in Italy. That is how he cut that travel short. So what happened now? Some days ago, a week ago, Eddy Murphy called me. He said, he said, we come back, I can't join the group. May I come first for a brother. Because because this is how they call it. That's why there's no way, never, me with you. No, me with you now, no fool now. Even as I don't want, if I take any side, now don't say I take side A, I take side B. I stand for the truth, not even the truth. If I the Murphy, when they come to at least stand, they still start to talk truth tomorrow. Now people still come and sit there for their side. Okay? May God not let me join evil side. Since it's against my Bible, it's against my religion. He said, woe unto them that see evil and call it good. Or see good and call it evil. Woe unto them that see black and call it white. Or see white and call it black. You will have your judgment from God. So I don't want to be judged by God. Okay? So Eddy Murphy called me some days ago when I heard this thing. Because if you want to sell yourself on this social media because you want your brother Dennis Deco to come accept you as a brother, you cannot use our head on social media or you the Benin's people, the adult people on social media for your personal interest. God forbid. Because the way we are going now, you are talking that after election, so that you will even join the worst thing on this social media just because you want for people to vote for your brother. No, it will never be done. Okay? You cannot use our head here. So because many people, they don't have the wisdom that God gives to me. They don't have the brain that God gives to me. They believe they believe your lies. They believe your lies. The other one that they talk, they believe that so many people are in cage today. Many people are look at small children now. The other one, not Balaja, they also become. The other one, how old are you? 40 years. These are the children they took. They took us away that 20 years ago, 30 years ago, 30 years ago from Africa. Bringing us to I don't know if I'm going to be living. Bringing us to Europe, putting us on different juju this thing, asikiti. Then when they connect people, then they swear. See people now, they are just 40. Their brain is collided. Some are 20s, their brain is collided. They don't get brain again. All they know about is juju. They don't know what is evil again. They don't know what is good again. When their leader of Juju called them, they will say, a bit of Pamaje, so even that thing is evil, they will agree with it. But then they said they know that it's not good. Just because for them not to go against their Juju, they will not come and agree with evil thing. Then you start to see many people now, they have different type of problem in their life. Different type of problem. Our king of Bible, second Kidika, our talk, he has put an end to it 2018. So I want to win them number say, I want to tell them where back by you. You put you alive the back about here, and we are selling when you fair, also so my young nobody like I said, you pass it using Juju one way or the other to be dominating people on this social media. You go cost person. When the person will cost you back, you say, "Won't go carry Juju." Then you Juju because when everybody wants to come to Europe that year, 85%, 90%, they take the pass of Juju. So that dramatic something is still in their brain. I said not to hit the Bible memory. Oh, my Bible did that. Why my Bible memory? I said not to hit that from day one. A Bible did not agree with social media now. I can't agree with Wahoya. Enough is enough of this evil things on social media. So Eddy Murphy, if you want to settle with your brother, you want to bring relevant in the life of your brother Dennis Deco, don't come and use our brain on social media. Don't come and use on social media. That is why I refuse you that day. I refuse you. You know many times when you don't call me, and I refuse you because my brain, it passed the people who send you to me. You know when everyone happened that day, you call me and say, look, my brother, stay on your lane. I have already sent somebody that is going there for me. You ask me who's the brother, I say, forget. I've already sent somebody because I know that people that send you to me, it was just a way for me to collaborate with you so you people will drag my enemy to your evil darkness way. Because juju is God said you won't belong to Caesar. God don't say the juju anything you believe on, use it well. Don't use it for evil to destroy. Okay? That's why you see some people that do juju, they're going to prosper. Because they do something where they believe on it. That's why sisters of them continue to do their life will never remain the same again. Evil things will continue to be in their life. Shame and distance will continue to be in their life. You understand? You hear me? So I drove you ever die here. You not fear because make a bring 6,000. You say I bring money. Say you won't go arrest his own. I give 6,000 naira, of which at the end it was just a way to come and collect money from me. You know that audio is still there. Okay? I'm not here for that now. So even when they come, they say, no, we come still collab together, collaborate together. Say, when they talk about palace, and now they won't go this thing. They won't go cut 30,000 euro. Who not come out now? Make them use the platform. Ask for that money. When I will come after and say, look at this non-native darkness people. Why? I refuse it. I refuse you all. At the end, you and the Nanomigo will now proclaim all over the world using the palace to fraud, using the palace to fraud money. Okay? Whether you like it or not, it's on the guard, it's on the Guardian, it's on Punch, it's every news all over the world. Nothing can clean that name. Okay? So the people when they do Zuna, just because you're not clean, you they fall inside their trap every day by day. Don't come and drag the good people on social media with you guys. Okay, Eddy Murphy, I will play your audio after this one, but let me give a message to Isoke. Isoke in the answer. I know it's yes, because you said you don't declare so you don't be Isoke. I do. Because ever since even Daddy Adu, Bobizwa, when he come out and left curse on you last year, your entire family, I was among the people that said, no, Daddy, you don't have to do that. Okay? You don't have to do that. We don't go against it. But today, you, Monica said, your papa, maybe Akabama. You come out and you say, yes, Akabama will be your papa. You don't feel be your papa. I'll tell you that it's okay to do. Why don't they come out for Eddy Murphy? We're going to throw out to Bobizwa. It's just because I thought that my uncle, Bobizwa, is your father. So since now, we now know that Bobizwa is not more your father, sent by Monica Tuari. If Eddy Murphy come out again and blame to Bobizwa, he will have himself to blame by me. And I will call you over to let us through my platform on Eddy Murphy, our mother, the Disgraced, all the entire family. You can say what I come and go house, but this one, if they come at my grandma house, you know now. Everywhere, it's my uncle who said that the same father with my father. It's my uncle one. The secondly, my auntie, Ido Gobadia, Agbata wife, junior sister. She's my first cousin. Okay? Ido Gobadia, Agbata wife, junior sister. She's my first cousin. Her mother was the one that put me. Make her speak the English when you go here. And the mother of Ido Gobadia, the ex-wife to Bobizwa. I think Bobizwa married and died here in the year 1998, if I'm not mistaken. 1998, I'll be 1999. Okay? So, she's the sister, the ex-wife to Bobizwa. Now she be the nurse where Bobizwa gets among his wife. I don't know whether they're married or another nurse. Okay? The mother of Ido Gobadia, now she carried me for my mama leg. Sorry. Now she carried me for my husband leg. When we go to our native law and custom. And she is among the aunties that take care of my mother, because my mother was an orphan at the age of 3, of which I've been saying it all these years. So the mother of Idou Gobadia is the auntie of my mother. Me and Idou, we are first cousins. So the children of Idou, they are my cousin or my niece. I don't know how to put it now. So if Eddy Murphy is insulting Bobizwa, is automatically insulting the father of my cousin. Why Nitana? It's a Nitana. If Bobizwa, if Eddy Murphy is insulting Bobizwa, Chief Adu is automatically insulting my uncle and the father of my names. Because many people don't talk put ever since. We think say na Adu Bobizwa na born you. But now Monica thought say na Kababa born you. You we are there yesterday when the Murphy, your husband, agreed with Monica to say, you know what matter, which is a matter that Monica is okay. So this will be the last time Eddy Murphy should open his mouth to talk to my uncle. Because since your husband, Eddy Murphy, proclaimed it yesterday that Monica is a truth teller, which is everything that Monica has said on this social media is truth. Not come about Metana, not come about Monica. Okay? When Monica talk for this, not come about Metana. So Eddy Murphy, if you dare talk to Bobizwa against Chief Adu, I will come out for you because you are insulting my uncle. But ask them. He knows me very well. I've said it even apart from even the sister Dou Kobadia. I know what she did, the way she helped me that year when I got to Nigeria. When my whole family wanted to kill my enemy. So that is a story to repeat again for another day. Or Chief Adu help me. I simply sit up. So all those want the story for another day. So I'm telling you now, Eddy Murphy has said that Monica Tuari is a truth teller. So everything that Monica said about Isoke, no come about me here now. Where Akabama is the father of Isoke. That if Isoke said that it's not the father, you go and bring DNA or you go and let cause. So since if you did not see the DNA of Isoke that is not a daughter to Akabaman, or go swear, say Akabama Monica pull her for her head. As from today, me, I stand with waiting and hear from Eddy Murphy say Monica is a truth teller. So my uncle, ever since when they talk and said you not be picking, all of us they talk say you don't have to say that everybody was evil. I've never come out and said when they talk to them, not come and call a defender like that. Say Chief Adu not supposed to do such a thing. But now, from today, don't wait first million. Any time Eddy Murphy have to beg Bobizwa, I will come out and everybody will be laid cost on Eddy Murphy. His mother, his brother, everything that concerns Eddy Murphy. Enough is enough. Okay? Enough is enough. People do the needing. And assist. Why do something? No, wise pass. And the people when they do my whole intelligence pass their home. The people when they do when they command you now. Because they put you they take you swear out from one place to the other. But we are not going to call the Jews in darkness, because they disturb the light of God on social media. In social media, many people their life change. Una own life be changed but una not wait till una try to enjoy the money. You want to make the money quick. You started collecting bribe. They will say the case come. They will say go bring money for you to say the truth. You not go say the truth. If you see what you even talk about, you say my sister give you 50 euro. Make me a complete €100. People must say, one picture. Maybe not social media. Okay? So it's okay. That one is for you. And for the presenters that collected money from Eddy Murphy, our market. What a shame. What a shame to you people that collected money from Eddy Murphy. Eddy Murphy no be call na RNA. I wish I know say my brother go bring her. Una go hear my heart with Eddy Murphy now. Una the hear now. He say get una all of una address. The presenters will collect money from Eddy Murphy. He say a lawyer copy una address. Say for the account number one I give them. Now then they for bring her to my address. Any pen, they are going to arrest you people. You see how you people sell your integrity for nothing. You see how you people sell your integrity for nothing. Then tomorrow when I go see the person will not sell integrity. When I call the one look na contact una stand contest, that's why I say una go gather together, because in Isaiah 54 verse 50 say they will surely come together, but not by me. Anyone that come together against the daughter of Zion, they will surely scatter. Okay? No as una go gather down and selfish. You people cannot fall me down. You cannot put what is not in me in my body to say no. Okay? Eddy Murphy now, he said he get to the address, because tomorrow when the arrest will start, we don't want your story. Okay, we don't want your story, because now what you now what you follow her back, now what you follow her price. So we are not go against, we are go vote for it, we are go use our platform. Talk for a brother favor. Okay? Now, these are some of the presenters now that their hands and their mouths are tied down. You see Eddy Murphy, you cannot do anything with him. And when they want Eddy Murphy to take the palace away from your mouth, Eddy Murphy, you said that the palace knows of it. Eddy Murphy, you are going there again. No? Eddy Murphy, when the second coming of Mokopaku, Eddy Murphy, you said yesterday that the palace is aware of you collecting all the presenters, their address, that the palace is the one that told you to do like that, to collect, to tell them you want to give them money in their account, so that the palace will have the address of the family of presenters of social media. Eddy Murphy, take your mouth out from the palace. Don't use the palace to make your stinking without praying something on social media. This time, it will be very bad. It will be okay. A hand to where we're getting now. Okay, a hand to where we're getting now, Eddy Murphy. Take the palace away from your mouth. The palace never sent you or sent any of your gang to collect, to put money into account of presenters so that the palace will know their address. What concerns the palace concerns social media. Eddy Murphy and co. Eddy Murphy, don't take away the palace out of your mouth. And not you can come out and talk nonsense anything you want to talk. You have done, you know, when you talk on social media that year. When you talk on social media that year, that you fuck my enemy. Because I stop you not to do Europe talk that Facebook the cabinet told you to collect 6,000 euros from them. What did you do? You come out and do a video that you fuck my enemy. It's not up to 2 months. And maybe I have a come out. I have the video here. And maybe I have a come out. He said do fuck your wife. Now, see, we are when no woman, no man, woman. What just make God do for me? What don't do for me? You insulted my enemy that year. That video go viral. To the extent, in my life, that was even owing me money. Call me say if I want him to help me, to insult you, to arrest your family, and I say, my life, before you can talk to me, give me my $80,000 you run away with, because that is me for you. Awa. Oh, no, it's your body men, your body family men. I can say I forgive and forget, but I can never use my mouth to come out and start. Maybe I can say praising, but say I'm gonna fight for that person. Or when he's reaping what he did to my family, when he's reaping what he did to everything about me, that people are using it to her now or to him now, I'll come and contact when they fight. Say no, I was a God forbid about it. Okay? So when a Jabon come out down here, I must say too much when you come and say fuck my enemy. The video go viral. Unfortunately, up to today, you never said Allah on that too, because I know the almost still not say, because when enemy me face to face, you come and tell let me drive you back. Now for not where you wrong, where you be go. Let me drive you from there. You not go back. The first one you want go, you not tell where you want go. So we not say about that one. I just to come out. But it not reach too much. I just want to say fuck your wife. Now say this go and do everything. Okay. So only that the favor. So when you go come out now, talk anything when you want to talk. And I can know that. But your evil act of this social media, you did it that time. Thank God you do not go scot-free with it. The same people that used you to do it are the same people that used you to go and receive a disgrace. The pain that you had till tomorrow. The pain and disgrace that is in your life today, the muffin. The people that plan with you to insult my enemy, to talk say you fuck my enemy, they are the same people that told you to bring out my sister. They are still the same people that still come together to betray you, because God told me that you people will gather. But if it is you people gather to do evil against the daughter of Zion, you people must surely be scattered. Because he said in Isaiah 54, verse 7, he said, no weapon formed against my daughter shall prosper, and every lying tongue against the daughter of Zion shall be condemned. That is the heritage of the righteousness of the children of God. That is me. Okay? Mama, he said recently it was a lie that he never met you. I know the phone, I know the too much I listen to if you talk about just to say. But as he said, he won't take a disgrace me that year. After 2 months, now the person take come and come disgrace his wife. And when they disgrace his wife, he don't reach the wife go carry juju. He said, "What go carry juju? They come carry themselves, go and when they say they be confraternity, then the wife go say go carry and go cut. You understand me? Because me I know the revenge show. Anything when you do, that's what I say. Go carry juju, eat juju. And bad body maintain because my body tell me what you have this one, or what you have this one. Because anything you plan against me, take insult me. It's coming back to you. Today or tomorrow, but you must surely reap anything you say to me. That is why I know the talk life of person body. That's why I can't words out of my mouth. The words that came out from my mouth, I count it. Okay? Okay? The words that came out from my mouth, I count it. Also, when I made up my when they told they wanted for palace that day, even that drunkard went there for the one when they say the shop shit. Number what went there for France. Or when that guy so that they fight for inside, the guys of one Danny. May they call it salt chips now and look at these useless people. The people that ever plan with you, they know that my wisdom is more than their home. Not to talk of them when they send come. Okay? So the muffin, take the palace away from your mouth. When you call us social media people, the one that you said you call, that you put money in their account, it's just for a day like this. You are going to use it against them when they will talk against you for so that you will be able to start doing your evil things that you have been doing on social media. Okay? Then, to collect a favor from your brother, then it's Deco. To say, Mommy, I'm going to social media. Those people I told them to vote for you, to talk for you. You are welcome. To talk for you, say them to talk for you to collect favor for your brother, because you know that your brothers, they don't want to do anything with you. Likewise, like almost all of us on this social media, our brothers and sisters, for them to have their whole life to live, they say they don't know us. But me, I don't even know. Me, I too, I don't even know them. Thank you, sister, brother, for the stuff. When I welcome. Me too, I don't even know them, because the mission when God sent me, He not send me, say, my brother follow me, my sister follow me. Now, so the mission when God sent Joseph. When God wants to send Joseph, the mission will send her. Now, the brothers even sell him out. And when God that mission come win, he brought it to say brothers they were around, the sisters were around. He forgot back, he for not feel him. So that is same me. The same thing with David. So, if I don't know Bible, I know when I tell you the current Bible, I know what I read in the Bible. And I know what my God wants and what my God don't want. So, Eddy Murphy, the plan where you be planned now, for you to say the bodies know about it, I want that everybody that have ears, let them hear now. The video you did it yesterday is still on your wall now. They should go and cut it. That the palace should know that no, not take money. Okay, no, me I go play my own now. But the palace will know that Eddy Murphy want to draw the palace again to his dirty game. Okay? So the presenters, what Eddy Murphy call as he call me when I hear my this thing. Since Eddy Murphy say our phone is automatically recording. When I don't say that this is my record, let me tell the discussion of them. Make una hear. And I will tell you what I did with this audio later. Listen.
Yeah.
Hello.
The great Gladys that the president of God,
social media president.
So we put it where of Jack consistency or card, as of red. They open up the well, so when I would be that loud, that would be a cheap by a team. Now we are
almost a double baby apply you are. Okay, you're not to hear the Ola.
My one year we last 3 years. Yeah, Babylon. No.
And a similarly making now, who went to neutral.
My very way, or still anyway, only you call it with it.
Mamma called up I told you, Mamma Cocomunana now. What I'm going to the full of yesterday, when you believe my baby now. Mamma Cocomunana. Mamma Cocomuna, whatever, I have of a cricket loud, I can ask me that my home. I'll tell you, woman, I'm going to ask you away the name Bubo.
Okay, so I want to bless her for doing that. Man, my video. That's one video.
I can't see the one they pay your man well now. Started doing it, even better than any men of the okay. You do where it don't mean my wife. What again? Made it at all, or so we go at all.
That time you go with me by now, where on Mama Gona, on a winning, on Manavia here, when I